Hello guys, today Jelena is back here. So today we're gonna be making slime. I forgot to vlog something, so I already poured the glitter glue inside. And now time to get the ingredients. So let's put it out. I got these. I got Elmer's glue, which is the glitter glue. I also got this original glue. I got this clear glue. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, it's not. I don't know. It's just so cool. So now I'm gonna make that stand for a while. Here on the basket. Blocking. I got this. So now time to put original glue. Just gonna put it in. Open it. I'm so excited, guys. This is just so exciting. Oh my gosh, I put too many. I didn't notice that will come. Okay, just look at the camera. I'm so happy. I'm just gonna open this a piece because it's so small. Like, look at this one. What's bigger? Let's see. I guess this one is bigger. So I can put a lot of it. So this is the smallest one, so I'm just gonna put a little. Oh my gosh, is this even coming out? I'm so scared. Because this is expensive too. But the most expensive thing of all is this one. Oh, this is so difficult. So I think I'm just gonna open it for now, even though it's too small. So I'll open it like this. What the? That's why it's not coming out. Because actually it has a... Whoa. Specialists really need to put these things. Can't believe it. It's time to close it up again. I think this time it will work. Because I already take out the plastic or something. Let's try. Oh, it's working. Well, it's coming too fast. Gonna add more. I made this because my classmate asked me, which is named Kiana. She's so kind. And I gave some of my other slime that I made, but I didn't brought it. I left it in my locker at school. So now, let's put some detergent. Actually, I had this detergent, guys. We bought this yesterday. It's upside down, but I can't put it upside down or else the detergent will fall. Do it like this. Ariel detergent coming right up. Although that's enough. I think I'll add more. I think that's the one that is enough. Cool, right? Time to mix. Oh yeah, got it. This is what I use already because just something. Ooh, it's I like the color. Wow. My BFF said that I gotta bring some of it. I don't really want to add foam balls. I think I gotta bring my foam balls too. Would I? They will make a mess there. I'm such a happy kid, you know. So that's why I get so excited. I forgot things to do at the house. 3, 2, 1. Pour that awesome detergent. Oh, that's enough. That's enough. I put too much detergent. Guys, look at that. It's so pretty. I love it. Oh, I better mix it. Whoa, it's such a cool color, like a galaxy or something. Now I'm gonna add glitter. Where's the glitter? Did I take it out? I think I didn't. Well, there's the glitter. Here you go, glitter, glitter, glitter. I got these glitter. So I gotta just open it up like this. Wait, can I? Oh yeah, we gotta open it like this. So I thought it's... So okay, we're just gonna pour something in here. Okay, tap it, tap. Oh my gosh, I put too much glitter. So I pour the glitter on slime. Pour. Be careful. Oh, I had too much. Whoa, that's gonna be a super glitter slime, guys. I'm so excited to see the slime done. I'm gonna get some for myself and give some to my classmates. Oh, it's so cool with the glitter. Look at that. It's so pretty. I hope I got pearls today, but I don't. Or I can put beads on it. Later I'm gonna make a cupcake slime. Oh, that's working much better. Much better. I said much better. Whoa, I like the texture, guys. Whoa, it's a cool color. I can feel it. Whoa, it's not that much sticky. It's a little bit of sticky. Yo. Gooey. I'll just add a little. The fall bugs got stuck here when I made it yesterday. Actually, I buy this yesterday at night, and when we go home, I'm so excited to make slime. Because the slime that I made before with my friend, Mikai, that was a fail. Because, you know, guys, our slime, if we stretch it, it's like, you know, it's just gonna separate. You know that? Well, this is not a fail. This is so cool. Look at that. Ooh, that's so gooey. I can't believe I can make slime like this. Because before, I always try to make slime and, you know, this looks like, you know, wait, this looks like toothpaste. This is just so amazing. I can't believe I can make slime like this. Because I always try to make slime and it failed. You know that. It's getting much better. Much better. I love the texture. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of more glitter. Tap it over here. Oh, that's too much. Add more, a little more. Oh, yeah, that's enough. It's too much. I add too much of it. Take it off. And now it's like to relax it. Okay, let's get nicer with the glitter because I really like glitter on galaxy things or something. Or because I'm like a person who's choosing a family. I don't know myself. Like a family color, I don't know. Something. I really like pink, purple, and blue, especially aqua blue. And violet, of course. Guys, please click subscribe because I really want everyone to click subscribe on mine. Whoa. Guys, do you know it's already February 17 today, 2020. I hope you watch this in early time so you will know where I vlogged this video. So cool. You can poke it and poke it. Just gonna mix, stir it all up. And look at that, it's turning to work. I'll take it out already. Wow, it's starting to work, guys. It's so cool. Look at that. Wow. I'm not gonna put foam beads on here. Or maybe I could just put a little, I don't know. This is just so amazing. Let's stretch and plop. That's funny. La 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 la. You Okay, guys, by the way, do you know other YouTube channels like Casey and Rachel's, Come Play With Me, Haven Gives Zoe Amaro, especially Haven Gives Zoe Amaro. She's my classmate, actually. If you watch that, also need to watch her video, you know. That's funny. Or how about I'll add, what should I add here, guys? I think I will add more glitter. It's not that much glittery. Oh, I keep adding glitter all the time. Tap, 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 tap. I'm gonna show you how I tap the glitter. Tap, tap it. Tap it and tap and tap, tap. Oh, I put too much, you know. I can add more. Oh no, I add too much. Look, my glitter's getting smaller and smaller. Wow, I really love it. Thanks to my dad, I had this video. I had this video because of my dad and my mom. And because of myself. Because I did it good and I always got first honor in school, but 4th grading is coming. I'm so excited. Guys, you know, I'm still grade 2. But I already got a future gym. This is so fluffy. I can't believe it. Starting at grade 2, I already had a YouTube channel. That's funny. Let's just take it like this. Yeah. It's working now, so now I can take it out. Flip this upside down, upside down, upside down. So I gotta find a place to put this thing. I think I know where to put it. It's a secret. I'll show you next time to my next video, slime. To my next video. Whoa, this smells so good. Even looks pretty cool. It's like a galaxy. I can't wait to show this to my mom because she's really outside. You know, I think she's just making our, oh my gosh. I meant she is fixing our clothes and folding it. So, can we put it too? Wow, this is so cool. I like the texture of it. Wow, it's just so sticky, guys. Look at that. I made a slide. Wow. Wow. Just keep staying over here. Oh wait. It's so cool. I love it. By the way, bye guys!